lot of the work on this car was done before I got the idea to film it. It's a work in progress, and I'll have better clips in future videos, so make sure you subscribe. Now that I got the car drivable, I had to tackle a long list of codes. The misfire codes, the lean code, and the air intake code were all fixed by this hose for the PCV system. It had a hole in the charcoal canister, so I fixed that and cleared the EVAP code. The airbag light was on, and that was caused by a broken wire in the driver's seatbelt buckle. With all the warning lights off and all the monitors ready, I scheduled an appointment for inspection, but there was one more thing to do. The inspector informed me that there was a failed bushing in the right front control arm, so I put her on the lift. I pressed the old bushing out with a bench vise. I got a new bushing for only $2 and pressed it in. Now we're ready. And she passed.